Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you a very simple way how to clean the burnt iron bottom. Plug in the iron and heat it up to maximum temperature. Be sure to unplug the iron before cleaning. It is better to open the window, or you can clean the iron plate outside. To clean the bottom of the iron, we will need aspirin tablets. So friends, now you know a simple and quick way to clean burnt fabric from an iron. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.